words were heavy on my chest. Every step a quiet test. Walking streets we used to know, now I'm learning to let tears fell down like summer skies, but they washed away the lies. After the rain, I see it clear. The sun was hiding all these years. Through every storm, through all the pain, I found myself after the rain. Broken pieces on the floor don't define me anymore. Every scar begins to fade. In the light of better days I was lost, but now I'm found in the silence, in the sound. After the rain, I see it clear. The sun was hiding all these years. Through every storm, through all the pain, I found myself after the rain. I won't run from who I am. I'll rise stronger, take a stand. Every ending brings a start, healing slowly, heart to heart. After the rain, I breathe again. No more shadows, no pretend. From the ashes, I remain stronger than I was in pain. Let it fall, let it fade. Forever. Phone lights up at 2:03. Your name still does something to me. Said we needed space to breathe, but you're the air I couldn't leave. Every word we never said, running circles in my head. Why you calling me at midnight when you know it don't feel right? Pull me close and push away. Say you're leaving, but you stay. We're a fire we can't fight. Burn it up in neon light. Why you calling me at midnight again? Old messages I scroll through. Every miss you feels brand new. We said this was the end of us, but we never learned to let go of love. It's a game we always play. Lose ourselves then run away. Why you calling me at midnight when you know it don't feel right? Pull me close and push away. Say you're leaving, but you stay. We're a fire we can't fight. Burn it up in neon light. Why you calling me at midnight again? Maybe we're just scared to be alone. Or maybe this still feels like home. But every time we cross that line, we break a little more inside. So stop calling me at midnight. I still wait for a love that shouldn't stay. We were folding dreams on your bedroom floor, writing wishes we couldn't ignore. Ink-stained hands and a reckless heart. Didn't know love could fall apart. We threw them high into the sky, swore they'd never say goodbye. Like paper planes we flew too far, chasing sunsets, counting stars. Now I'm watching pieces fall through the silence of it all. We were light, we were flames, now we're just paper planes. Your laughter echoes down the hall. Like a ghost I still recall every word we left unsaid. Builds a storm inside my head. You slipped away without a trace, left me lost in time and space. Like paper planes we flew too far, chasing sunsets, counting stars. Now I'm watching pieces fall through the silence of it all. We were light, we were flames, now we're just paper planes. If I could catch one falling piece, maybe I could find some peace. But every fragment cuts too deep, and every fragment cuts too deep, and memories I couldn't keep. Like paper planes we drift alone, carried by the winds we've known. No more skies to call our own, just empty hearts made out of stone. We were wild, we were flames, now we're just paper Still I look up when it rains, hoping you'll come back again. Golden hour, your hand in mine. Time slows down, we're out of time, laughing like we'll never fall. Like nothing's waiting past it all, but I see the way you look away. Like goodbyes hiding in what you don't say. So stay a little longer, don't let go tonight. Let the world keep turning, we'll just press rewind. If this is a moment, let it never end. Be my now, my always, not just almost friends. Stay a little longer, just pretend. Your hoodie still smells like your skin, every memory pulling me in. We talk about dreams like they're near, but I hear distance here. But I hear distance in your fear. You say we'll be fine, we'll be okay, but forever shouldn't feel this far away. So stay a little longer, don't let go tonight. Let the world keep turning, we'll just press rewind. If this is a moment, let it never end. Be my now, my always, not just almost friends. Stay a little longer, just pretend. If tomorrow takes you far from me, promise you'll remember what we used to be. I'd freeze this second if I knew how, but all I've got stay before you're gone. Late night silence, city breathing slow, neon shadows dancing where we used to go. Your voice lingers like a fading tune, soft as starlight underneath the moon. I trace your name in the midnight air, but it disappears like you were never there. And I'm holding on to echoes of you. Every word, every touch still feels so true, like a melody I can't undo. I'm lost in the echoes, echoes of you. Photographs whisper stories untold. Every smile now feels a little cold.